Reducing energy consumption is important, and we have lots of plans in place to achieve this. We love new ideas as much as we love executing them. In fact, we're currently drawing up plans for creating the energy-neutral tunnel of the future. The smart use of electricity, heat and lighting prevents unnecessary energy consumption. Here's how it works. Nearly all installations and systems in a tunnel run on direct current. Because of this, it's wise to use the same energy supply throughout the entire tunnel. Direct current is more sustainable and more reliable than alternating current. All of the required energy is generated by solar panels, sometimes up to 20,000 square meters per tunnel. The service buildings near the tunnel are also energy neutral. Residual heat is stored underground and converted when necessary. The lighting should make the tunnel as safe as possible for road users, and also more sustainable. We've given this a lot of thought. We use LED lights and special light fixtures. The first part of the road in the tunnel is white, and the walls were given a special light-coloured coating. Both serve to increase the light reflectance value. Sunlight can filter in through grates and fiberglass panels. This allows us to achieve energy savings of roughly 47%. Not only is this construction of the highest quality, it's also innovative and unique, both in the Netherlands and beyond. Want to learn more about the Tunnel of the Future? Go to www.zeroenergytunnel.com.